Well, good evening, folks. Yuba Activist and Adventure Network. Looks like we got something going on over here at AMPM. Paramedics. Come on. My guess is, just a guess, the cops showed up to bust somebody for something, and all of a sudden, there was a medical emergency. Or maybe they started running around naked, faking insanity. I don't know, folks. I've seen a lot of stupid stuff before. People try to do to get out of trouble. I'll tell you one thing about yours truly. I might be belligerent to cops writing me a speeding ticket from time to time, depending on what kind of interaction I've got ahead of time. But when I did a crime, I always owned up to it and just did my time or probation or whatever. Wonder what happened. Come on, Katie Mae. Good, baby. Walk. Oh. Cross. Well, we were getting a snack.
We can if we could.